What if your money could make money, even while you sleep? That's the magic of compound interest, and it might be the most powerful financial concept you'll ever learn. Imagine putting $100 in a savings account that pays interest. With simple interest, you earn money only on that original $100. But with compound interest, you earn interest on both your initial amount and the interest it's already earned. Over time, this creates a snowball effect that can seriously grow your wealth faster than you might expect. So how do you make compound interest work for you? First, start as early as possible. Even small amounts add up when given time. Second, be consistent. Set up automatic contributions so you never miss a chance to grow your money. Third, be patient and avoid withdrawing funds, allowing your interest to keep compounding. Lastly, look for accounts or investments with higher interest rates, but always choose options that match your comfort with risk. Remember, time is your greatest ally. The earlier you start, the more powerful compound interest becomes. Don't wait. Start today, and your future self will thank you. Follow for more smart money moves, one step at a time.